Like the MY19 Triton UD update, the Pajero Sport shares a great part of the pickup's running apparatus. The re-examined SUV looks harder gratitude to its dynamic shield grille and fog light mix, higher hood, and new running lights and guards. The polarizing old vertically displayed tail lights have been decreased in size and a guard made bigger. The combination wheel configuration is new, and evades are obviously marginally higher mounted to reinforce ground freedom. Within, there's another 8.0-inch touchscreen unit despite everything, running Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the highest point of the Go Exceed variation gets TomTom satellite route. Increasing this, a computerized instrument screen in the driver's seat indicating vehicle information and the status of dynamic security hardware.